Do you ever feel like you're always starting something new but never really sticking to it? Like you should have been way further than where you are by now? If that sounds like you, this video is probably gonna hit. By the way, my name is Alwi Batarilan and I run a free Skool community where people are learning how to turn attention into income and make their first $1,000 online. And this exact problem is what keeps most of them stuck. A few days ago, I ran a poll inside my community and asked people what's actually stopping them right now. The top answers were overthinking, not knowing what to focus on, consistency, fear of judgments, and procrastination. And here's the interesting part. Those are not 5 different problems, guys. They are one loop. This is what the loop looks like. You don't have clarity, so you don't fully trust what you're doing. Because you don't trust it, you start overthinking. Because you overthink, you hesitate. And because you hesitate, you're inconsistent. And because you're inconsistent, you get no results. Then the fear gets bigger and the whole thing restarts all over again. That's exactly why you can feel tired even when you're not doing that much, because your brain is constantly stuck in should I mode. Here's something I see all the time. Most people I talk to aren't beginners. They've tried things, they've watched videos, they've probably even bought a course or two. But when you ask them what they're actually doing today to move forward, they don't have a clear answer. They feel busy, but they're not moving. And the reason isn't laziness, it's fear. When you don't have a clear path, your brain assumes danger. And when the brain senses danger, it does 3 things. It delays, it distracts, and it looks for more information. That's overthinking. So procrastination isn't a character flaw, it's your brain trying to protect you. And consistency isn't about willpower, it's about trust. You don't trust that what you're doing will work, so your brain keeps pulling you away. That's why just be consistent advice never actually works. Here's how you actually break this cycle. Momentum only comes from 3 things. First, clarity. You need one simple target, one audience, one offer, and one main thing you're working on. Not 10 ideas, not 5 side projects. Second, simple execution is key. Not hustle, just 1 or 2 things you do every single day. Maybe it's 1 post a day. Maybe it's reaching out to a few people. Maybe it's following up. That's it. Third, feedback. You need to see something work. A reply, a comment, a lead, a sale. Even a small win tells your brain, okay, this is safe, keep going. And when that happens, overthinking shuts off automatically. Here's a simple exercise that you can do today. Write down 3 things. Who you help, what do you help them with, and the one thing you will do every day for the next 30 days. Ignore everything else. That's how you break the loop. If this video hit you, it means you're not lazy, you're just missing a simple system. That's what I help people build inside my free Skool community, Digital Freedom Basecamp. I'll leave a link down below. And remember, if you do nothing else, remember this. You don't need more motivation, you need a simple system that creates movement. Let's go.